Bonjour, hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, I'm just showing you like all the little goodies I got off of Etsy. I love supporting small businesses, and I also love Lady Dimitrescu from Resident Evil Village. So yes, guys, the items I'm going to be showing you today are by two Etsy sellers, Nature's Indulgence as well as NerdyDiva Aria. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So for the first item I'm showing you, it is by Nature's Indulgence. It is the Alcina Bar. As you see, it has Lady D's hat as well as like little crystals and whatnot. So I have purchased from this Etsy shop before in the past. I absolutely love their soaps. Now me personally, I suffer from eczema, so I prefer to use handmade soaps such as like from Nature's Indulgence or Dr. Squash. That being said, whenever I saw that she had this soap, I just had to buy it, and unfortunately I did buy the last soap, guys. I'll still leave a link in my description to her Etsy shop if you want to check it out, because all of her soaps smell amazing. But this one right here, I mean, it's going to be sad whenever I finally use it. In the meantime, because I have quite a bit of Dr. Squash, it's just chilling on my gamer shelf. But I love this soap. It smells absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to use it on, my super dry skin. So for the first bar of soap, that is from Nature's Indulgence, and now moving on to NerdyDiva Aria, which is the second Etsy shop I purchased from. First impressions, I love the packaging, and just like whenever I order any Dr. Squash, this box smells absolutely amazing. As you see, even my cat, she was a little curious, even she liked the smell of the products inside. Here, I'm blocking out like my personal information, but this is everything I purchased from this shop alone. And also, okay, just a little side note, I love these little packaged peanuts. They're little pink hearts, which I love, and I know my cat's gonna love especially. I'm really sorry, guys. I get so giddy every time one of my packages comes in. But anyway, so now for the unboxing. So the first part I'm showing you is actually some goodies I received, and this is mainly like my boyfriend's gonna be head over heels for this because he is a Final Fantasy fan. As you see, I got little honeybee in themed wax as well as like a sugar scrub. Another goodie I got that I really like is this Carl Heisenberg wax melt, because he's another one of my favorite characters from Resident Evil Village. But yes, these are all the goodies that came in this little bag right here. And also, I mean, this is a little off trail, but I love these bags so much because this is like a little life hack that anyone can do. I love to take these little wax beads and put them in like these little Etsy bags that I always get. So this is a life hack that I, do a lot, especially for like my dad's stuff, because he's a mechanic, and I like to make his clothes smell like really fresh and clean. Basically, if you just put little dryer beads in like one of these little Etsy bags and just kind of hang it like how I'm doing here, or even if you just put it like in a drawer like full of your clothes will smell absolutely amazing afterwards, like they're fresh out the washer and dryer. Like I said, guys, sorry I got a little sidetracked. I just figured I would share with you that little life hack I've been doing for a few years. But anyways, back to the unboxing. So for the next item I'm pulling out of my box, it has like my little lippy sets in there. Now, like I said, I suffer from eczema, so I tend to get like the ends of my fingertips tend to rip a lot because they just get so dry. So I'm just gonna get my box cutter to open said package. This is what the inside looks like, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, this entire packaging smells good just in general. But the little items I'm pulling out, as you see here, once again, I have another little baggie to put my laundry beads in. But the first item that I'm pulling out to show you is actually the Lady Dimitrescu inspired lipstick, or technically a lip stain. Either or, this color is absolutely gorgeous, and you can't really tell on camera, but it's got like little iridescent glitters in it, which I'm obsessed with. But anyways, so for first impressions, whenever I opened the bottle, the lipstick alone smelled absolutely amazing. I know there's some people that are kind of when it comes to fragrance. Me, personally, I love it. But anyways, right here, I'm just showing you a few swatches right there on my thumb. Yeah, I really do love this color, just 10 out of 10 in my opinion. But now moving on to the next item that I'm super excited to try out. As you see, oh, I just love the detail alone. It is the Lady Dimitrescu Black Cherry Lip Scrub. It even comes with a little spatula. I mean, you can't exactly, flip any Krabby Patties with this spatula. I totally get it, I'm the same way. I don't really like to, just dig my hands in my lip scrub, so I'm just going to use this little spatula just to scoop a little tiny portion of said product. That being said, I actually wanted to, demonstrate this product on camera, so I'm just using a little bit of this black cherry scrub on said spatula, applying it to my lips, and then just using my finger to kind of rub it in, really exfoliate it, and get all that dead skin and whatnot off my lips. So it is edible, you can just lick it off, but me, I am just going to take a little paper towel just to kind of blot it off instead. Now I'm going to go in with my Mr. Meeseeks Look at Me lip balm and just kind of, rehydrate my lips with it real quick. So as you can see, I kind of have a bit small cupid's bow on top of the lip product itself is a little bit on the sheer side, so I'm just going to go in with this Kat Von D liquid matte lipstick and just go over my lips first. I like to apply this matte lipstick just overdrawing my Cupid's bow, just to give the illusion that I have luscious lips. I also like to go over my bottom lip just to kind of help conceal like the lines that are in my lips. Once the matte lipstick is applied, I'm now just going to go over my lips with the Lady D lipstick, just applying it all over like so. I'm not exactly making tutorials in the sense that I am not the best when it comes to applying lipstick or makeup in general. I'm sorry if this gives anybody anxiety the way I'm applying my lipstick, but this is just how I've always applied it and it seems to work well with me. I'm a bit camera shy, can you tell? But in the end, this is what the lip product looks like, at least on me in general. So, 10 out of 10, I really do like that lip scrub. I love the smell. I really do like how it exfoliated and made my lips smell. I also really do like the lipstick. The only downside, which I really wouldn't call it a downside because I touch up my lipstick throughout the day anyways, is that it does transfer, as you see right here on my coffee mug. I figured I would just go ahead and share that little bit of information to you, but besides that, I really do like this lipstick, and if you are a Lady D fan like me and a makeup lover, I highly recommend. But now moving on to another product that I bought from this Etsy shop. So this right here, oh, I just love the packaging alone, and especially I love the little purple wormies. But inside this box contains my Lady D inspired body sugar scrub. Like I said, guys, I am head over heels obsessed with Lady D, and the big selling point was this sugar scrub is probably what Lady D would use in her massive, huge bathtub. I mean, okay, yes, her castle probably smells horrible, what with her daughter slaughtering the staff and all that man's blood, but the scent alone of the sugar scrub smells absolutely amazing. I'm head over heels for it. Definitely would mask the scent of all the dead villagers and whatnot. I'm sorry, guys, I'm really trying. That was corny, sorry. But serious note, this sugar scrub I have since used it since filming this video. I absolutely love how it left my skin feeling. This another product, 10 out of 10. So I know you guys are probably fed up with hearing my voice by now, but don't worry, we're almost done. So this is the this is the final item of today's video. As you see, even my cat Luna is super intrigued. She really does like the smell. No, I'm totally kidding. She really just wants the box itself as well as the packaged peanuts. But anyways, so inside this little black box here contains the Lady Dimitrescu inspired candle. So, a fun fact, this actually was the first item that I saw by this, Etsy shop that I fell in love with and just, I had to have. So, the first thing you'll notice is that, yes, this candle does have a little bit of weight to it. On top of it is absolutely amazing. I love the detail, especially the little black rose on top. It kind of plays homage to Lady Dimitrescu's daughters. But right here, all I am showing you is just a big 360 of what the candle looks like. Even if you're not a Resident Evil fan, guys, come on, you have to admit this candle is absolutely gorgeous, just like Lady D herself. You know who else is gorgeous? That would be Lady D's daughters, Bella, Cassandra, and Daniela. So, this is just a little backup rose. Basically, whenever the first rose kind of melts away, I can just replace it with this brand new one. But that's pretty much all that consists of, this little box right here. But yes, guys, here it is. Here's all the finished, Lady D supporting small businesses. I really don't know what to call this video yet. But here I am just showing you all of the items I bought today, as well as the little freebies that the Etsy shop owners have sent to me. I love practically every item that I got today, but my favorite has to be the little lip scrub as well as the lipstick, because I can now finally say that I have my own Lady D lipstick. My second favorite item has to be the Lady D candle. My mother-in-law came over just to kind of help me with a little side project, and even she said this candle smelled absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to buy one for her as well as another one for me, because as you see, the black rose tends to melt away. That's completely normal. It's supposed to do that. No, seriously, shout out to NerdyDiva Aria. I love every single one of her products. All these items smell absolutely amazing. It even put me in the mood to kind of, cosplay as Lady D herself. Okay, so not the best cosplay. I forgot the yellow contacts. On top of, I'm 5'4", not 9'6". Oh well, I had lots of fun dressing up as Lady D. Okay, voiceover over. Actually, let me go ahead and stick this right back on, just real quick. kind of have a big head, so it's hard for the hat to stay on. But yes, guys, so in conclusion, I love everything that I bought. And as you see, I'm obsessed with Lady D. Not the best cosplay, I know. I'm a beginner when it comes to cosplay. But in the end, I love Resident Evil Village. I got the video game right here. I'm obsessed with this. And, yeah. So if you are a Lady D fan just like me, or you're just a Resident Evil fan in general, I'll have links in the description if you want to check out any of the products that I showed you today, except for the one Alcina Soap. Like I said, it's sold out. I bought the last one. Next Lady D video you'll see on my channel, like besides like a nail art, is going to be a DIY of this sangre. Totally kidding, it's just cranberry juice and fireball. But anyways, guys, got the mess like behind here, guys. I've been working on my cosplay, I guess you can say. I'm actually about to clean and get ready to make dinner for my boyfriend. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, thanks for watching. Whew. I feel good to take that hat off and this wig. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.